You could put links on there. And now this is just the view mode, but you can see actually where I'm at right now in this scan is right over here. Now this, I scanned this a couple months ago before I put the studio in here. But you can put your proposed projects, in these scans. And this is just a scan done with my phone. Anybody can do it with Polycam. I'm going to put some tutorials on how to do it. But really, you can add all sorts of stuff. Look, I put this art piece in here. It's a sculpture. This table's in here. All the information on the table. And if I want to edit it, I can go and edit it. And now this is a really cool part of the platform. Now that you're in here, it's good to just lock everything, because then you're not going to move things around. But if you want to work on something, you could go in here and unlock the art. Here we go.